Hi, I'm Grace, the Awards Programme Manager at Make UK. The Awards Programme helps to shine a light on the incredible achievements and resilience of manufacturers. With 5 apprentice categories and 7 business categories to choose from, here are a few reasons why you should consider applying this year.
Hi, I'm Astrid Yarwood, Director of HR and Legal Services at Make UK. We've worked with a number of your companies over this extremely difficult COVID period, and I just wanted to say this is an excellent time to celebrate the successes of your business and your staff. Entering an awards programme can have huge benefits for your business, for your employees, and even for your future employees. This is a great opportunity to recognise and reward the innovation and collaboration that your business and your hard-working staff have achieved. Even if you just get shortlisted, it's still a great way to get your company noticed. So I hope you can see the positives in making this application today for the Make UK and Manufacturing Management Awards.
Hello, I'm Andrew Ward, Health, Safety and Sustainability Director at Make UK. It's been a busy year. It always is in health, safety and sustainability. This was an absolute exception. So we're looking for your stories as individuals and groups where you can articulate the success within your field at your organisations, how you've driven things forward, how you've innovated, how you've made your workplace as safe and healthy for your team members and your company as you have. There are several categories that you can enter, so please have a look through, and then the process is you articulate and you evidence what you've done, shine a light on the great work that you've done. Don't hide your light under a bushel. It's a great year to excel and show everybody what's happened. Good luck.
Hi, I'm Andrea Ball, Head of Next Generation Marketing at Make UK. The Apprentice Awards are a fantastic opportunity for the next generation to really raise the profile of the manufacturing sector. If you're a manufacturing apprentice or a business apprentice, I urge you to enter this year's awards. Being shortlisted or even winning an award is a great accolade that you can add to your CV and really makes you stand out amongst your peers. It will also give you the external recognition you deserve and give you the opportunity to really showcase the apprenticeship route as a valued career pathway. You can also use this as an opportunity to raise the profile of apprenticeships through the local community and your local school to really demonstrate that this is a brilliant pathway and also to raise your profile and get the recognition you deserve. The awards are simple to enter, it's an online process, and our awards team are on hand every step of the way to support you.
Make UK have just opened up their manufacturing awards. It's a great opportunity to showcase the manufacturing sector. We all know the incredible efforts that manufacturers have made to make sure that the lights are kept on, food has been on the table, and people have kept functioning throughout the pandemic. Not only this year but previous years, the awards have been an incredible opportunity for businesses to highlight some of the incredible challenges that people have solved through manufacturing and how the sector really is leading the UK economy. So I'm urging you to put forward people from across the business, whether or not that be right at the bottom in terms of the start of their career. So we have various different categories for apprentices all the way to business leaders and specific challenges that businesses have met.
The awards team at Make UK are available to help you with your application, so please do reach out if you need any support, and best of luck.